Cougars and cougar parents, let's bring it all together and let's simplify these exponents, where when we simplify these exponents, we're going to be doing a combination of multiplying exponent time exponent. We'll be dividing exponents. We'll also have negative exponents, and we'll be raising exponents to a higher power, and we're going to put this all together, and we're just going to take it one step at a time. Let's try one together. Now let's put it all together, simplifying exponents. We're going to be multiplying exponents times exponents. We're going to be dividing exponents by exponents, raising exponents to a power. Okay, so here we have the product of x to the negative fourth power times y to the third power, all raised to the second power, times 2 times x times y to the second power. Sorry about that. Okay, well, the first thing I want to do is you could take care of this negative radical, but I'm going to hold off on that. I'm going to first distribute this 2 to both of the terms inside here. And I know that when I raise a power to a power, I just multiply my exponents. So this is going to give me x to the negative fourth power times 2. Okay, I'm raising the negative fourth to the second power. And then I have to multiply that by y to the third power times 2. Okay, I'm raising. See what's happening here? So I'm going to end up getting x to the negative 8th power times y to the 6th power. And I have to bring the rest of this information all down here. I have to multiply that by 2x y to the second power. Now I want to combine like terms. Okay. First of all, I have only one exponent, which is 2, so that 2 is just going to come along with the expression. But now I do have, change color, I do have an x to the 8th power times x. Okay, and I know when I multiply these two, what I'm going to get is I'm going to get x to the negative 8th power plus 1. Okay, because technically just x all by itself is x to the first power. Okay, and then I've got some y's to combine. I got y to the 6th power times y to the second power, which is going to be y to the 6 plus 2 power. Okay, so let's clean things up a little bit. So that's going to be 2, and x to the negative 8 plus 1 is really x to the negative 7th power, because a negative 8 and a positive 1 is a negative 7. And then 6 plus 2 is 8, so that's y to the 8th power. Now I have a negative exponent here. I've got to drop this down into the denominator. So this is going to be equal to 2 times 1 over x to the 7th power, because this negative exponent here, this negative exponent, I have to take this right here, and I've got to simplify it. I can't leave it as a negative exponent. A negative tells me I need to change it to a fraction, repeated division. So it's going to be 1 divided by x to the 7th power. And then my y to the 8th power comes down here. I need to clean this up, and I'm going to get 2 y to the 8th power divided by x to the 7th power. And that's it in simplest form. As always, boys and girls, I hope that was helpful, and if you have any questions, please bring them to class tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.